5-minute hummus. You heard me right. From the cookbook Israeli Soul, the mastermind behind the best restaurant in Philadelphia, Zahav. Let's get started. Peel 1 clove of garlic and take the juice of 1 whole lemon and add it to a food processor. Then you're going to stir in 1 jar of tahini, preferably the Soom brand, along with a tablespoon of kosher salt and a teaspoon of ground cumin, and give that a good blending. Then slowly, a little at a time, add 1 to 1.5 cups ice cold water until the mixture becomes nice and creamy, just like that. Then take 2 cans of drained, rinsed chickpeas, add them, blend it some more, about 3 minutes, and you're done. There you go. 5-minute hummus. From thinking, let's make a topping. Grab your eggplant. Slice 1 eggplant into 1-inch pieces, lay on a baking sheet, and generously salt and let sit for 1 hour. Then take a 1/2 cup toasted walnuts, 1 roasted red pepper, 1 roasted shallot. Add it to a food processor, along with a tablespoon of smoked paprika and a tablespoon of pomegranate molasses. Go ahead and cover and give this a blend for about a couple of seconds until the mixture gets chunky, kind of like a salsa. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice, a little salt and pepper, then add a layer of the Muhammara on top of the hummus. Grill or broil your eggplant until charred and dice into chunks, then layer that on top of the Muhammara. Garnish with some flaky salt and some fresh chopped parsley, and now your hummus is going to eat like a meal.